In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy USDT on Kucoin. Now, there are actually two ways in which we can buy USDT on Kucoin, and the first way involves buying it via fiat, which means trading your local currency for USDT, and the other option is actually trading another crypto for USDT. So let's just say you had Ethereum, you might want to swap Ethereum into USDT. Now, in order to do that first method I just mentioned, you will have to come over to this overview tab, and we can find that by going over to assets and just clicking on that. And from there we get taken to this page, and we can simply click buy crypto in the top right corner to start purchasing USDT. Now from here we land on this page and we can actually buy crypto via this third party tab. So the minimum you can spend is $30, so I've put that in here. And on this section where we're buying a coin, I've chose to buy USDT. Next up you can choose the payment method, and you can choose between Apple Pay and bank transfer. From there, all you have to do is read and agree to this disclaimer down here, and from there we can click confirm, and we'll then be taken to Banxa where we can confirm our payment via Apple Pay. And from there, you will have successfully bought USDT. Now, if you're trying to swap USDT from another crypto, what we want to do is go up to the search bar, and we just want to type in the pair that we're trying to trade. So let's just say I had Ethereum and I wanted to buy USDT. We can put Ethereum in this search bar here, and then look for the Ethereum and USDT pair. From there, we want to go up to place order at the top and choose spot, and then we want to choose market. And then since we're trying to buy USDT in exchange for Ethereum, we want to go to sell, because down here it will change to sell Ethereum, which means we are selling our Ethereum to USDT. So as long as it's on market, we can then put in the amount of Ethereum which we're trying to sell. And if we're trying to sell all of it, we can choose 100%. And from there, when you click sell ETH, you will have successfully sold your Ethereum for USDT. So that's how you can buy USDT on Kucoin. I showed you two different methods, so hopefully I solved any problems you may be having, and I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.